So, bago kami umalis, marami yung chichiburache. Kailangan i-check si ganito, check si ganon. Ayan na, alis na kami. Tumaang ng tubig. Baba. Ayan, hindi kasya sa bag ko kasi maliit. So, kailangan lang bumili ibang bag. Hindi nga lang po mamahalin.
Okay, put your paperwork, the card.
I did.
Okay.
Let's go. Naalis na kami. You think nag-run out?
Here, let's take the stuff down and then go.
Just leave it there. We can come back later.
Seems to me like that everywhere we go.
For sure. Run out. Yeah.
Let's go home.
Okay, let's go.
Look.
Yep, uwi na lang kami. Wala na. Hindi rin makakain sa labas.
Everywhere.
Burn out.
I thought I saw some street lights go off and on.
Yan, nag-burn out na. Babayad pa naman kami. Yan, tuloy na wala. So guys, yan na nabili namin. Air fryer. Yan ang gift ko sa'yo. That's my gift.
Just what I always wanted, a fryer.
Yan ang gift ko sa kanya.
Little teeny fryer.
Teeny fryer. Yep. Our teeny kitchen.
You can put like 2 chickens in there.
That's good for 2 people. Right?
Yeah,
See?
well, because that means less oil.
So, ganyan liit niya, oh, guys. Yan lang siya, kaganyan lang siya kalaki kamay.
What's up with that?
So, you have, no, I think you have to put the, look at the manual thing.
Whoever reads those things.
You like reading, so you can read it.
There's the cord, there's not much to it. Little handle, which you gotta figure out. And then you got a lid. That's pretty much it.
Okay, now you need to figure it out how you put that thing.
Well, this goes like that. When this is submerged. Somehow,
Okay.
and somehow this here.
Okay.
Oh, I see. Like that.
There you go.
That's not it. Okay, time to get the manual out. If it's a poor design, you don't need a manual. I mean, if it's a good design, you don't need a manual. You gotta look at a manual, means it's poor design. So,
I don't know either. I only know it's like this.
ah,
Oh, careful.
it goes through it somehow. It goes
So,
through.
ayan, na-figure na niya ang paano. No, it's inside. Yeah, there.
What?
Here. It's over here. It's over here, on the side.
Oh,
There you go.
ah.
Ayan. Sabi ko sa inyo, mas masali ng Pilipino.
Just like that, except why is it not shut?
You have to put this side on the thing. There you
Oh,
go.
it goes all the way this way.
Ah. There you go.
That's pretty much it. You're gonna be our first witness of our first thing we're gonna fry. What are we gonna fry for the first thing? Chicken?
Chicken.
Fish. We're gonna have fried. We're gonna fry fish in it.
So you open already your Christmas gift.
There you go. Thanks, Anna. I'm easy. From Fiberware. Oh, okay. They have different settings for different temperatures.
Okay. So where are you going to put that? Yeah, we don't have space for the counter now.
So where are you gonna go?
We don't have space on the counter.
You can tell me where to put it. The only place we can put it is up there. We can leave it out because we're gonna try it.
Yeah, right now we need to. Did you turn off this?
It's for the heat. We're gonna keep. Wait, let the heat out for the area. Heat up the area.
Okay, that's fine there. That looks better here. Okay. Hey, you forget to put this. Okay, maglinis muna ako ng kitchen. At ito pag itong naglinis, I'm sure hindi talaga linis. Tignan mo yung counter namin, hindi linis. Nakikita ko pa yung mga ano ng sipag naman yan, kaya lang syempre linis lalaki. That is so cute. This one, it's only $10. Shit! Gago, muntik na mabasag. Oo, tumabasag yung lens ng ng GoPro. Yan kasi ako nabili sa GoPro.
So I'm putting this over here.
No, put it there. That's for that. There.
More Christmas gifts.
Ayan na naman, di kanya yan na.
Marshmallows.
Regalo yan sa akin ng friend ko.
Okay, what goes
Pero
with
siya
marshmallows?
nagbukas.
I would say hot chocolate. Here we go, sprinkles, and that's what this is going to be. Hot chocolate. That's
Merry Christmas.
the time I thought I needed. So here's the cocoa. Merry Christmas.
How about that?
Oh, yeah, and some wine too. This is Stella Rosa.
That's from who?
Huh?
That's from who?
That's from Santa.
Who's Santa? Santa Rowena.
That's a Rowena.
Santa Rowena.
La Chianti. 1917. Yeah.
How about me? I don't have gift to open. No gift to open. What, chocolate? Chocolate, choco only? Huh? That's what you're going to give it to me? Don't go. Ayan na, tinapon na niya.
Nah, she throws outside.
Sino yung nagbukas? Bye-bye.
Okay, time to take.
Hey! Oh, yo. There's some more over there. Boxes. Uniform ko. Yan ang aking uniform. May tabi ng... may gas naman. And it's too cold. So, tomorrow, maglinis ang bahay ang gagawin. 4 na araw kami walang work. So, walang gawin kundi maglinis ang bahay. Pasko namin maglinis ang bahay. Yan. Yun lang. Kasi doon lang kami nagkaka-time na maglinis. Ng general cleaning. Right? O, yan na. Are you done with all the gifts?
That's it for round 1.
Alright.
Oh, I got a cup too.
Yeah.
For the hot chocolate.
Chocolate.
Friend's cup.
See, it's friends from Rowena. That's my friend's Rowena. Alright. More gift?
That's it.
That's it for now. Underwear now, ha? See, tinan mo, gutabi ng underwear yan. Sipag, di ba? Yan ang papakasalan nyo, oh.
Very good.
Yeah. That's the man you will marry. Knows how to fold. Holy wars. Oh, di ba? Oh, galing magtupi niya, no. Oh. You don't need to fold that. Just put it together. That's it.
That's the problem. It's putting them together. Weird. These teeny little socks.
I have a small fit. What are you gonna do?
What was the pile I had here? There we go.
Diba? Ang galing magtupi, no? Oh.
But they're all
Oh, what?
hard to match.
You don't need to match it.
Okay, let's put them all in
Just
there.
put it together. I don't care.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Ayan, galing magtupi. Wow. Is that
Okay,
it? Is
that's
there
it.
more in the laundry?
That's it.
There's there's some clothes there on the top of the dryer. It's folded already. Wanna get it for me? Ayaw kunin.